What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another beautiful sunny South Florida day. In today's video we're going to be installing some brand new headlights on this 05 Acura RSX Type-S. You're probably wondering why we're swapping the headlights out on the RSX. Well, the truth is that Amir just got a fresh paint job done and the car looks immaculate, almost like showroom condition. But there's only one piece that I think needs to be addressed at this point, and it's these headlights. Now these headlights have been refinished in the past, but under this Florida sun they really don't last very long. Now he's even had them clear coated to last, but as you can see on these, the clear coat's stripping, they're really faded, and we figured why not, right? Why not get new headlights? Now the truth is that he'll still have these, so if he wants to refinish these in the future or even retrofit them, he'll have that option. However, for today we're gonna go ahead and swap them out with these bad boys. So these are the headlights that we'll be putting into the car. Now I should say that they're not brand new, but they're slightly used, but they look amazing. They're in great condition, a lot better than those. As you can see, there's a noticeable difference. I can't wait to see how these headlights bring the car back to life. I think they're gonna look amazing. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, so in order to get the bumper off, we're gonna have to pull this bolt under here off, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So there's two bolts on each end, and then we're gonna take all these clips off here, and then there's also gonna be bolts underneath the bumper that we need to undo. After we do that, we'll be able to get the bumper off and then access the headlights. I'll just move it up onto the wood. Okay, so we went ahead and put the car on the wood planks. That will just enable me to be able to get underneath the car and get those clips and bolts that are underneath the bumper in order to remove the bumper to access the headlights. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like with the bumper removed. As you can see, we got the bumper here. We've got sheets on the ground because it's so hot today. It's a nice beautiful day, but it's very, very hot. And we've got the left headlight pulled out. As you can see, this is what the old one looked like. We're just gonna have to take this bracket here and put it onto the new one. But check this out. Look at the difference, guys. The old one versus the new one. What a difference, right guys? Can't wait to get this one in and see how it looks. Alright guys, so we're finally done with the headlight installation on the RSX. As you may be able to tell, it's no longer sunny. It's actually a lot later on in the day. Unfortunately, right after I made the other video, or right after I made the other cut, started to rain like crazy. But that's Florida weather. It could be sunny 1 second and then literally the next just downpour. So that delayed us a lot. But finally we were able to finish. The other headlights had some broken tabs. These are pieces of the other headlight. Now behind me, these are the new ones in here. As you can see, they look amazing. As a reference guys, this is what the old one looked like. As you can see, there's a noticeable difference. Now we're still gonna go ahead and polish these that are on the car. Hopefully in the next video I'll show you guys how these come out once we polish them. They still have a little bit of yellowing, but we should be able to get them back pretty clear after some compound, some wax. It should look brand new, so we're looking forward to that. The car looks a lot better now, so I'm really happy for Amir. Car looks amazing.
Exactly the same, right?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, can't really tell the difference. I can't even really tell which ones are the new ones.
I know. I think I wasted my money.
Yeah, well, you got them for free, so it's all good. I know by now you guys are probably wondering how Amir got these headlights for free. Well, truth is that they're not exactly brand new. They're slightly used, but they're in really good condition, like new. And we were able to find them through a seller on OfferUp in California that offered shipping with the headlights. It was a really good price, made an offer on it, the offer was accepted, and the seller shipped them out. Now when the seller shipped them out, a few days later one of the headlights arrived. That was the first red flag. Like, the second headlight was nowhere to be found at the time. He opens the box and unfortunately one of the headlights were broken. The tabs were broken. Now RSX headlights are very fragile, especially with the tabs. They're really easy to break if they're not packaged correctly, or if the carrier mishandles the package, then they're easily breakable. Unfortunately, the first one's broke. At this point, we didn't really know where the second one was. We had no idea where it was. The USPS couldn't find it. Seller shipped it out. He said he had no idea where it was. So we made a claim with OfferUp, and OfferUp opened the claim just so that we wanted to let them be aware so that we could cover ourselves in case the second one never showed up. Luckily, a couple days later, the second one did show up. However, it suffered the same fate and it was broken as well. At this point, we noticed that USPS actually left a note on the box saying that they were responsible for the damages with the headlights, and that they were really sorry. So I went ahead and reached out to OfferUp, let them know what was going on with these headlights, and they offered us a full refund on the headlights due to them being broken. Now, luckily it was only the tabs that were broken and the headlights are still functional. However, we didn't really pay for broken headlights or headlights with broken tabs. That was actually one of the main focuses when Amir wanted new OEM headlights. He wanted to make sure that none of them had broken tabs. So when these showed up with broken tabs, it was kind of like, you know, it was a little bit disheartening, but needless to say, we still put them in. They look amazing, and we ended up getting them for free. As a matter of fact, he didn't mind paying for them. The price was really great. He paid for them. That wasn't really the issue. However, with the OfferUp buyer protection, because they did show up broken, he was able to get a full refund on them, and he got OEM RSX headlights for free. So pretty cool story that he has here, and the headlights look amazing. So guys, just like that, we've reached the end of today's video. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to smack that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. So I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully the next video will be cleaning these headlights up.